What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here is a 49 AMT Mercury, the Merc, and I noticed the roof, it has some glue marks, paint. It's been through the ringer for some years, and I have some Godhand 240 grit. I'm gonna go right ahead and show you guys how you can clean this real quick. This is the 10 millimeter thickness of foam that I'm getting right in here. Then I'm going to switch it off and use a different pad right there. All right, let's see, where are we getting to? Ooh, all right, now we're going to use this one right here, and we're going to contour it a little, as it's a little more flexible right there, as you can see. And we're just going to be going back and forth on this. And these are cool because they get right into those sections without biting too much. It gives it a nice tooth right there. Let's see, bam, there we go. And I know there's like another little smudge over here on this side right there in that little corner. Let's try to get in there. So you can see how it's bending down. You can contour it different ways. Start getting it right in there. And if it's not doing it too well right there, you can use this, switch back to the other one and use like the little corner of it without flattening it, Trying to get rid of that shininess right there from the glue. Trying to get it nice and dull. Let's see how it looks now. There we go. You see a little bit right there. Let's hit it a little bit. So I'm going with the 240 on this area, and then I would follow it up after with the 400. There's some right here in the center. Right there. 240. Yeah, this is some of my favorite sponges right here from Godhand, especially this 240 grit. Every time I would do like a lot of custom work, that's the one I tend to go, my workhorse. And feel free to go in different directions, you can go up and down, side to side. Here, let's check it out. See where we're at. See, it looks kind of rough. Like, what happened? All right. Ooh, look at that. It looks almost like it's a little sunken in, no? Here, let me get it in there. All right. I can see a little bit of shine, not too much. There you go. Cool. Now let's follow it up with 400. Right here, 400. Starts to smooth it out a little bit. Going over the 240. I have another thinner sponge, and I'll go over it right now too. Right there. All right, let's check it out. All right. And here we are. Let's get it up in there. Yeah, these pads work really great, and they're good on the fingers too. They don't leave your thumbs or your fingers sore at all, because you got that support right there. I remember back in the day just using straight up flat sandpaper and paper, and I'd be like, dang, fingers would be so jacked up. All right, let's see. Let's check it out. Where we at? A lot smoother right there. Did it pretty quick. All it needs now is some primer. All right, just went outside, threw some primer. It's still wet, as you can see. I didn't even wash it. I just straight up pretty much just wiped it off and sprayed some primer on the roof. We're gonna wait till that dries right now. All right, it's nice and dry. So you can see right here, you can still see some scratches, but not to worry. We gotta hit it with the 600 grit right here, and then another coat of primer. Just realized I grabbed the wrong one, the last part. 600 right here, the green one, green pad. So let's go ahead and then hit this up. Let's go over it really lightly. You don't got to beat down on it. Just go super lightly. We're just scuffing over the area, getting that little tooth. I mean, if we get it nice and clean, I'm pretty sure even from here, you could even go directly just to paint. But we're just gonna try to go over the areas right here, get it nice and dull, because you also don't want it to be too shiny. You know, you want to get some tooth. Now I'm gonna go across right there. Yeah, that's the one thing I love about this primer. It's very forgiving, no matter how many layers of primer you spray, and it dries fast. Because you know, I didn't have to wait too long. As you can see right here. Let me go back this way. All right, so now we have the 800. We're just gonna go right over it. And then after this, I'm just gonna wipe it down and I'm gonna re-primer it, okay? All right, and here we have it. The primer, it's nice and dry. You don't see no scratches. Those glue blemishes and all that stuff that was there is gone. And this thing is now ready for some paint. But this is just a test body. Just wanted to show you guys that. And I'm going to hang on to this one. I'm going to be using this as a subject for more future videos. Leave some comments. Let me know what you guys think, what I should do next for some future videos right there. Thank you for watching.